From the towering heights of the giraffe to the ocean depths where the blue whale resides, we turn our attention to a different scale, a world often unseen, where miniature marvels reign supreme. Prepare to be captivated by their intricate adaptations and sheer tenacity.
Deep within the limestone caves of Southeast Asia, a tiny creature with wings takes flight. This is the bumblebee bat, the world's smallest mammal. Measuring 30 millimeters and weighing 2 grams, it's no larger than a bumblebee. Habitat loss and human disturbance threaten this marvel.
In the Mediterranean, we find the Etruscan shrew, one of the smallest mammals by weight. Weighing just 2 grams, it has an incredibly high metabolism. These shrews eat nearly their body weight daily, feasting on insects and worms. They play a vital role in controlling insect populations.
Our next stop takes us to the arid deserts of Pakistan and Afghanistan, home to the remarkable pygmy jerboa. This tiny rodent, measuring 4 centimeters, has long hind legs and a tufted tail, giving it a whimsical appearance. The pygmy jerboa is a master of desert survival with large ears to dissipate heat and powerful hind legs to leap distances.
Chapter 4. Madame Bertha's mouse, lemur, a miniature primate of Madagascar. Journey to Madagascar, home to the tiny Madame Bertha's mouse lemur. This nocturnal lemur is the smallest primate, measuring 9 centimeters and weighing 30 grams.
Chapter 5. Kitty's hog-nosed bat. A tiny titan on the brink. In the limestone caves of Southeast Asia lives the world's smallest mammal, Kitty's hog-nosed bat. Sadly, habitat loss from deforestation and quarrying threatens their future. Conservation efforts aim to protect their habitat and raise awareness about their plight.
Chapter 6. The Speckled Padloper Tortoise. A tiny tortoise with a tenacious spirit. Our journey now takes us to the southern tip of Africa, home to the speckled padloper tortoise. This tiny reptile, measuring 6 to 8 centimeters, is one of the smallest tortoise species. Habitat loss and illegal pet trade threaten their populations, highlighting the need for conservation. Chapter 7. The Bee Hummingbird. A tiny avian dynamo. Journey to Cuba, home to the smallest bird, the bee hummingbird. Measuring 5 to 6 centimeters and weighing less than 2 grams, it's a marvel. Vital pollinators, they feed on nectar using their long, slender beaks. Chapter 8. Paedocyprus progenetica. A miniature marvel of the peat swamps. Our quest for the world's smallest creatures leads us to the peat swamps of Southeast Asia. This translucent fish, measuring 7.9 millimeters, holds the record for the world's smallest vertebrate. The discovery highlights the remarkable biodiversity in unexpected places and the importance of protecting these fragile ecosystems. Chapter 9. The Fairy Fly. A miniature enchantress of the insect world. Enter the realm of insects, where size takes on a whole new meaning. These delicate creatures, measuring 0.139 millimeters, are barely visible. Despite their size, fairy flies play a crucial role by laying eggs inside other insects' eggs. Chapter 10. The Water Bear. A microscopic marvel of resilience. Our journey takes us to the microscopic world, encountering the water bear, or tardigrade. These tiny animals, just 0.5 millimeters long, are incredibly resilient, surviving extreme conditions. Their unique adaptations make them a subject of intense scientific interest.
From the high-pitched echolocation calls of the bumblebee bat to the microscopic resilience of the water bear, we've journeyed through a world of astonishing diversity. We've met the Etruscan shrew, a tiny titan of metabolism, the pygmy jerboa, a desert-dwelling dancer, and Madame Bertha's mouse lemur, a miniature primate of Madagascar. These incredible creatures, each a testament to adaptation, remind us that size is no barrier to survival. Let us continue to appreciate and protect these fascinating creatures.